Hello, it's Keith from Convert. Another quick one here for you. So I'm trying to do this only with ChatGPT, and I think I'm just going to give up at this point, and let me show you why. So I have this confusion matrix, and I'm trying to get it to look kind of like this one here, where you've got the numbers and all the actual predictions. Now this is for MNIST instead of CIFAR-10, but it should be able to do the same thing. Now this is from a tutorial. I wrote this on my own, and then this I had ChatGPT do, and I think it did that fairly well. But let's look at the chat here. And it did a great job of solving CIFAR-10, but once I started to ask it for the confusion matrix, first it tried Seaborn, which I don't want, and it doesn't remember that. Apparently it doesn't tie it to your username. And so I asked it for matplotlib, and it did this, which is fine, except it didn't include the predictions, which I would hope it would remember, and the chart just doesn't look that good. So now I'm asking it for the lines of code. Now finally it gave me this, and this worked, okay? But the chart still didn't look good, and so I'm asking it to make just minor changes, and then look, it goes right back to sending this, even though it knows how to do this. Sorry buddy, I'm busy for a sec. And so it just forgets to, like, I can't imagine, like, you know, any complete noob like failing to send that chunk back in. And so now I'm just sitting here going back and forth trying to get it just to send me this stuff and fix it, and then it starts sending me the whole code, and then it fails to even send the whole code. So it, you know, and so I'm asking it to only send the code block with the confusion matrix, and it sends it wrong again. And then I say, okay, please send me the same block except add in those lines of code, right? So send this block in except include the correct lines of code. So what does it do? It sends me the whole thing. And so this is what ends up happening is in its current state, and this says it's the ChatGPT December 15 version is what it says, and it's very frustrating to use. Don't be too afraid of this laying you off in the near future, at least at the time of this recording, right? They could make some big changes, but for now it's very frustrating to use, and at this point I think I'm just gonna give up for the day before we do some stuff with the family, and I'll probably just write this on my own. I can do it way faster. Getting the first outline, you know, if I had just gone with its first result and just fixed it from there, I would have been done so quick, and it would have been quicker than if I did it on my own. But trying to do it purely copying from ChatGPT, it's just it's a test of one's patience, and at this point I'm running out of time. So hope you guys found this helpful. If so, please leave a like. If you have any questions in the comments below. Keith from Convert, and I will see you guys later. Bye.